Vande Mataram students, today we will do lesson number 12, festivals and fun days. So what are festivals? Festivals are the special days on which we wear new clothes, we eat sweets, we have lots of fun and we enjoy these special days. Now we will talk about festivals of India. है ना? So many festivals are celebrated in India and these are the two major festivals, national festivals and religious festival. First we will talk about national festivals. First is Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th of January. On this special day, we hoist the flag and we salute our nation. National festivals are celebrated by the whole entire nation. And then is Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th of August. Then we come to the religious festivals. These are celebrated by the different religions. This first is Diwali. It is the Hindu festival. It is celebrated in the month of November and December. It is also called, as you know, the Festival of Lights. On this festival, we lighten the diyas, we decorate our houses, we eat sweets, we greet each other, and we change the gifts also. And we worship the goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. We burst the crackers, we exchange the gifts, and we do lots of fun on Diwali. It is the delicious fast and we wear new clothes. Then comes the festival of colors, that is Holi. Holi is the friendly occasion also. And if there are some enemies, they put colors on each other and they play with colors and they become friends also. So this is the festival of colors and we celebrate it in the month of spring in February and March. And the main special dishes of Gujia, we eat Gujia on Holi. So this is the festival of colors over here. We exchange the sweets, Anna, and we play with waters and colors. Then is Dashera. It is the sign of victory of good over evil. Burai par achai ki jeet. So this is Dashera. Then there are some other festivals also that is also celebrated in different parts of our country. That is Durga Puja, Onam, Pongal. So these are some more festivals which are celebrated in different states also. Durga Puja, Pongal, Onam. Now we come to the Eid. Eid is the festival which is celebrated by the Muslims and it is the festival which is celebrated after the fasting of 30 days and they greet each other, Eid Mubarak, and Eid, the main dish is on this festival we eat Semaiya and it is after a month of fasting of 30 days and in the holy month of Ramzan. Greet each other and dear ones Eid Mubarak on this festival and eat delicious Semaiya. And the Muslims go to the mosque to offer their prayers. Then is Guru Purabs. This is the festival of Sikhs and these members go and Sikh faith. This is a festival of Sikh faith. They go to the Gurudwaras for the prayer and it is the anniversary of birth anniversary of first Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So this is the colorful procession heading towards the Gurudwara and serve prasad that is called langar also. So this is Guru Purabs. And then comes finally the Christmas which is celebrated on 25th of December and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. So this is celebrated by the Christians. They go to the church and worship their prayers over there. So students, these were the festivals celebrated in India: Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and we have also talked about the national festivals which are celebrated by the whole nation, by the entire nation, and the main thing is we give salute to our nation on these days. So this was the chapter Festivals and Fun Days. Thanks.